Hello everyone, this is Ashan CG, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department at ADODC team. Today we are going to know how to make a simple login code using ADODC control at 6.0 Visual Basics. Select the standard exe that here we have number of templates, and then select the login dialog template, and then it has two labels and two text box along with the two command buttons. And then before going to create the database using Visual Data Manager, and create a folder as given name user login, and then database name is login. Click OK, and then create a table. Give the table name as login and add two fields. First one username and the data type as text and the size. Click on OK, and then next password and then text. Click on close, and then after that click on the build table, and then right click, open, and add some values. First one I'm going to be insert Rajesh, and I update it, and then again I entered BCA, password also BCA, and then again one more data as BSc and BSc, and then here totally 3 records in this database table. And then come back to the front end, add the ADODC control to the toolbox. So here we have ADODC control 6.0, and apply and click on OK. And then here we have an ADODC control on toolbar, and select and drag it over on the form. And after that connect the ADODC connector by using these methods. Go to properties, select the constant string, and set the path where the database table is located. Test connection is succeeded, and click OK, and then set the record source, and then select here comment table and select the table name and apply OK. Now this is the backend connection is over. Here we have a text username and password, and then click OK. And then here we have a predefined code, and delete that code and write your code here. First, if text username dot text, if it is empty, is equal to empty, or we are using logical operator, or text password dot text is equal to is also empty string, then it will show a message box. Write a message here, message box, enter username and password, and here we are using the VB critical, and then error is the title of the message box, and text user dot set focus where the cursor is going to be placed, and if this piece of code is used to find whether the given input values are empty. So it will show an error like this, then close it, and continue the coding, exit cell, and in next line ADODC1 dot record set source is equal to, now set the code, select star from login. Here we are going to use where classes, username is equal to, here we are going to pass the values with a single quote and address of whatever the text we are entering in our text box, text username dot text, and close the tag. And password is equal to same thing, open the single quote, text password dot text, close the tag. In next line, so we have to refresh the backend, so ADODC1 dot refresh, and write the control structure. If ADODC1 dot record set dot record count is equal to 0 means, then if there is no records found, then it will show a message invalid login. If any values not match, that time it will show a message like this, and style of the VB messages will be critical and the title is error. Else, if it is matches any values in that backend, that time it will show a message valid user. And the style is VB information. And give the title of that message box is success. And we can add who is logged, so we can show the name here, address of text username dot text, whatever the value you enter as a username, that will be display valid user followed by that name. So this is the code is used to write a login. And then after once it is logging, whatever the text we are written in our text box and password text box, that will be empty. Then after set focus, text username dot set focus. And this code is used to find the valid user. And then as we know that the cancel, we can use end or unload me, and then place that text username dot text in front of valid user. And then now here we enter the login username and password after clicking. So here we have a result. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the link. Thank you.